Hello, welcome to my channel. The question says evaluate log 2 raised power 1 over 3 plus log 3 raised power 1 over 2 all divided by log 3 square minus log 2 raised power 3. Now, for us to do this, there's a theory in logarithm that says the power here can be taken to the side here to multiply the logarithm of the number. So for us to do that, we are simply going to write 1 over 3 multiplied by log 2, then plus the same way here, this power 1 over 2 comes to the side here, becomes 1 over 2 multiplied by log 3. Then all divided by log 3 square is 9 minus log 2 raised power 3 is 8. And then if I continue from here, that will simplify to taking the, okay, let's say this can be written as log 2 all divided by the denominator, which is the base of this fraction, and that is 3, and then multiply by log 3 all divided by this denominator here, 2, and then everything divided by log 9 minus log 8. So if I continue from here, the LCM of this is 6. So I can simply take this and put 6 as the LCM. 6 divided by 3. That will give us 2. And then when I use the 2 to multiply what I have up here, it gives me 2 log 2. So don't forget, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 multiplied by this numerator give us 2 log 2. Then similarly, 6 divided by 2 will give me 3. 3 multiplied by log 3 there will give me plus 3 log 3. When I use 3 to multiply that. And then everything all divided by log 9 minus log 8. And that will be equal to, don't forget the denominator there is 6. Now, 2 here can be given to the power of this, just like the way we started by bringing power to the side here. So similarly, when you have a number by the side here, it becomes the power of this logarithm. So that becomes log 2 raised power 2, and then plus the same thing for this, log 3 raised power 3, and then everything divided by this denominator 6, and then all divided by log 9 minus log 8. Now continue from there. You agree with me that it will be equal to this 6 as the denominator here can come down here. So that will give me log 2 raised power 2 plus log 3 raised power 3 all divided by the 6 that I have there, then multiply by log 9 minus log 8. And then that will simplify to 2 raised power 2 is 4, so I have log 4 plus 3 raised power 3 is 27, so that gives me log 27. And then all divided by 6 into log 9 minus log 8. Now, in logarithm now, one of the laws of logarithm says that when we have addition like this, it simply means we can multiply the numbers whose log we are taking. So I can simply take log here and then when you take the log of just 1, you take the log, open up bracket, you multiply the numbers that we are taking their log. So that becomes 4 multiplied by 27, and then all over 6. Then in logarithm too, when you have numbers that are subtracting, logarithm of numbers subtracting each other, what you can simply do too is to take the log and then open up brackets. Then in subtraction, you divide the numbers. Just like in addition, you multiply the numbers. In subtraction, you divide the numbers. So that becomes 9 over 8. And then we can close the overall bracket there. And then that will simplify to 4 multiplied by 27 is 108. So I have log 108 there. Then all divided by 6 log 9 divided by 8 is 1.125. And then I can move on there to look for the logarithm of 108 is 2.0334. Then all divided by 6 multiplied by the logarithm of 1.125 will simply give me 0.05115 when you use calculator to do this part. So don't forget, the logarithm of 108, you obtain it by using your calculator, and then the logarithm of 1.125, you also obtain it by using your calculator to get the values. And then I can continue from there. Now I'll simply say is equal to 2.0334 all divided by 6 multiplied by this. With our calculator, it will give us 0.3069. And then by the time we divide 2.0334 divided by 0.3069, is going to give us 6.626 as our final answer. So this is a final answer. So please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more detailed videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.